Alright, so this is the Schosche G35 double din kit. This is for the 03 to 04 G35 models. It's a little different than the Metra kit in that it has plastic buttons and it has a dial for the climate control. This is the back of it. Pretty basic stuff. Overall thoughts, it feels pretty plasticky and chintzy. For over $200, I think I paid $220 for this. And it's hard to tell, but the plastic is not exactly black. And I heard from another guy online on one of the G35 Facebook groups that the color they call pewter whatever, it's supposed to match the Infinity Silver, like the original center console color, but it doesn't exactly match. So I decided I would just get black so I wouldn't have like a minor difference in silver color in my interior. So now I'm going to throw it in the car. And to accommodate the double din kit, I also got this Pioneer MVH 300EX. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of cool features on it, so we're going to install that and see how it goes. Alright, so that's what they look like together. Just want to make sure the double din head unit sat right within the Schosche kit, and it looks like everything lines up pretty well. Alright guys, so I'm doing this install at night like an idiot, but it's pretty simple. You just match up the color wires, and the Schosche install kit has like all these little plugs that you use, and yeah, just getting through it. Alright guys, so this is the Schosche kit installed with the OEM cubby. So the buttons feel pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but they all work, which is good. The dial feels pretty flimsy. I mean, it works, but you definitely don't want to go past the max, because then you kind of get like a soft spot, and it doesn't really have like a solid click when you go past, you know, as cold as it goes or as hot as it goes. So definitely want to be careful with that. Everything else works as it should, which is pretty cool. The head unit's also pretty cool. It definitely makes the car feel way more modern. Installing this was a complete pain in the butt, so good luck with that. But yeah, overall, pretty happy with the unit. It definitely looks better than the Metra kit or whatever that everyone else has been using. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and good luck with your purchase.